Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I am here again. So this is a Christmas season. Today is 25th of December. So we are back again on a new video reaction. I just want to make a quick video because we have seen the information that is out there about the new plan of the people who claim they are maintaining Ma's structure, Reverend Prime Minister. They want to maintain the structure. They keep on, because why I'm making this video is because many of you have come here to accuse me, to insult me, to say a lot of things. And one of the things that you guys says is, oh, Mazi, why are you supporting people that want to destroy what PM built? So let us talk about what PM built. PM built a government with cabinet members and people that are working in government, and he made it clear that everybody must work in line with the government's plan, which is to achieve Biafra. And the accusation and the allegation that most of you are giving and have said to me here is that you are supporting people that are going against PM's structure. Why must she destabilize? Why must she dissolve the cabinet that PM built? And that is a problem. Remember your comment. Remember that in COS dissolving the cabinet is a taboo. That has been your argument. Now you have a new person in the name of the so-called acting or whatever prime minister. And I was told, because I did not mention it in my previous video here, that even Sona Barawa is the vice, is now his vice. So if he's a acting prime minister, does it make any sense to have somebody that's gonna be his deputy or assistant as prime minister? Because what I was told now is that it did not even end in making Nkere their prime minister, but Sona Barawa is now his deputy. So for you to know, and this goes contrary to the structure of PM that most of you have accused us. Now, I don't want to say accused us, accused me, because I have received series of comments about it. You are talking about this, why must you support the person? Why must you support it? So if you are saying that, what are you talking about? It is obvious that you want people to follow what you want and never comment anything. You don't want people to say anything because it has to do with what you want. And that thing that you want is making Nkere prime minister by every means necessary. You don't care about the turnout. You don't care about what people feel. You just want it to be the way you want it, which is very, very funny. Very, very funny, because I can tell you that Biafrans are not keen into that kind of nonsense that you guys are talking about. And that follows up with the threats, series of threats. Very soon you are going to do this. I mean, it's for you to see how bad or the corrupt mind of our people. Many of you don't even understand what it means to fight for freedom. Because if actually you understand it, you will not be here talking about what you are going to do to your fellow brother because you don't accept what you want. Just like most of you are calling names, saying a lot of things against COS, against every Biafran that have different opinion for what you have. After saying that these DOS people are this and that, you are going in the same manner again, the same pattern again. It doesn't make any sense. So my question is, who is now following in fact, where is the structure of PM Simon Ekpa? Because it started by fundraising. From fundraising to why must she dissolve the cabinet? From cabinet, you now say, okay, charter. From charter, you now say, okay, you want to question that she don't have access to men on ground. I keep on asking you. You say that success is the one that have access to men on ground. Then what happened to what people they call the CRC conflict resolution committee, saying that the one of the criteria to elect the acting prime minister in their own camp, because I don't think I'm just quoting what they said on anyway, that the person must be, in contact with men on ground. My question to you is, do you have that in charter? Is that what charter said, that you must have contact with men on ground? If yes, because I have not, I don't read the charter. I don't think it's necessary. I don't see it as something that I have to waste my time reading, because I don't think a movement like this, the situation that that Biafrans are now, you don't need to have one book to follow up. You have to follow. You have to bring. You have to be dynamic. Depends on the situation on ground. What the people that want to get your freedom from, what they bring to you is what they're going to give. Your response must not be tied in a book, because anything is possible. Anything is possible. So anybody telling you that you have to follow the book, have to follow one book, I don't see it as something that is serious at the moment. Yes, you may follow what is in the document for some time, not always. But you guys are making it look like you have to follow charter, 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 charter. My question to you, since everything must go through charter, bringing destroying the cabinet that you are claiming that it is untouchable, that you must keep it for PM to come back. Now you have put finance minister to become your prime minister, and information minister to become your his assistant. And the person that you're putting assistance, I'm not against him. Remember, I told you I don't have any personal problem with any of them, all of them. But my question is, since you want to be righteous, you want to claim holy and all that, let us question you based on what you said that you are. So, do you have that also in the charter? That you have to pick all the serving all the, because you guys don't believe that you have been removed, right? So I assume that you are still a minister of information and finance. So bringing you to this ministerial position to another one, do you have that in the charter? Is that what you have in the charter? And when I said that one of the problems that they have is because their office has been removed from them, their supporters say, no, 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 you don't say that, because they don't even need, they don't need to work, they don't need any position. But they agitated because they were being removed. Now they are okay because they have been promoted. It's not about power. That's one. Another thing is money. That brings me to CRC, the Conflict Resolution Committee. Remember, they put those people, they use them now to put it as if they're following charter, that they have to conduct the election and all that. We are not kids. We understand the game that you guys played. That game is this: the same group of people that have the same mindset and the same ulterior motive, like, you know, Nkere, people who want to be prime minister by any means necessary. They want to, instead of me not to be here, let everything be destroyed. They are the same group, the same mindset, the same kind of people, are the same character, is what you see in that conflict resolution group or resolution committee. Because if they are a conflict resolution committee, actually, they're doing their job. Let's assume that Nkere and CS is having an issue. Do you think that the best way to solve the issue is to give them mandate, like they're claiming they have now, to do an election and put somebody there without solving the problem? So the issue is, what is the problem in the first place? What is the problem that you have with CS? So the best thing that you think you use to solve it is to bring the person that quote unquote have issue with CS and promote the person to become prime minister and undermine the presence of the CS. And to you, you are chairman and the group in the conflict resolution committee. It's not. That's not how it works. But what do I know? I can only tell you the truth. If you like, you believe it. But you guys are escalating problem. I'm commenting from outside. I'm not a member. I'm telling you what it feels like outside. So what it feels like in outside. You may not see it because you are inside. You are part and parcel of the problem. You are the one of the people that decision makers and all that. You may not see those things. This I'm saying now may not be an issue to you. You may not see it as a problem, but believe it or not, it's a problem. That's why everything is the way it is now, and it's unfortunate that you guys don't see it as a problem because you can everybody can see it. Only you that are benefiting from that is one making argument about it. But it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. I don't think that what you guys are doing now will give anybody Biafra. I don't believe that. Even on my comments, somebody said that his own pain at the moment is the money that he has spent believing that you guys are fighting for Biafra. He's complaining about it. I saw that comment. I said to keep quiet because I'm not in position to tell anybody, okay, you have to donate money here or there. I don't want to get myself involved in that. And for some of you that are good in threatening people, saying all manner of nonsense, I have not opposed any threat. I'm not. I don't oppose any threat to anybody. But if you think at all that you can, you know, say negative things or wish me negative things or bad things at all, if you are not saying that in your mind, I am telling you, anything you are saying will bounce back on you 100 times. But if you like, believe it or not. But I'm not here to create problem. Okay, like what Zubi Michael said in one of his videos, one of his movie rather, that we are not causing wahala. We are not looking for wahala. But if wahala come, no wahala. I'm not here to tell you anything, but all I can tell you is that I don't oppose any threat to anybody. I am just doing my video, reacting on what is in public. All right. So threatening me that if you guys are good in selling people, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not even a member, let alone opposing any threat to you. Okay. But use your brain and stand on the side of the truth. Forget about all this nonsense. We know you can only deceive few people, and you cannot deceive everybody at a go. It's a matter of time. Like I said, PM will come out whether you like it or not. It's not in your hands. It's not in your hand. He will come back. He will come out and he's going to see all those things. Okay? Just few weeks that he disappeared. He's not on social media. Everybody that have been nothing nonsense in their mind against him decided to dish it out at this point in time. It's very, very sad. Very, very sad indeed. And the whole world is laughing and mocking everybody. Because you guys actually, by declaring Biafra, the whole world everybody was paying attention. Even those who were not paying attention at all started paying attention, believing to see what you guys was all about. The next thing is to drag everybody to mud. But that's all I can say. So thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe if you're new. Okay, comment, of course, very, very important. See you again. Bye bye for now.